How to disable auto brightness on Android permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily disable auto brightness permanently on your Android device. So let me show you guys how auto brightness actually works. For that, you need to head over to settings. Once you go to the settings menu, go to connections and find display settings. So go ahead and tap on display. Then you can find the brightness section right here. So if I just increase the brightness just like so and cover up the upper part of my phone, it's going to automatically decrease the brightness, because what happens is it's going to have a sensor that measures how much light is getting on your phone. So if I just go ahead and turn on adaptive brightness like this, it's going to automatically decrease the brightness for you. Now to turn it off, you just tap on this adaptive brightness and toggle this off, and this will permanently disable auto brightness on your device. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.